cracking jokes, bro. Sorry. So now this is the first vlog in Georgia. We got Junior, Enthusiast point of view, my piece of crap. But then he's flexing out here with the sexy little Nismo. Dude, oh, you haven't even posted the video, that's right. Oh, no, I'll blur it out, bro. No. Well, I want you to post it, so it motivates you to post.
It's already on Instagram, go ahead.
Oh, okay, true. Well, whatever. he's got his Nismo with these brand new TEs, you know what I'm saying? Like, dude, look at the flex, bro. These are clean. Whatever, the video's not about this. One day I would love to do a build breakdown in his car, but for now, the goal is to get this turd. It runs, but I need it to drive. So hopefully today we can kind of button it up, because tomorrow, by the time you guys are watching this, it should be Monday. I don't know, sometimes I be getting lazy, I don't know, but it should be my first day of work. I would like to drive my car to work by next week. Let's see how that works out. It usually doesn't, but let's try. You know what I'm saying? We good? We got this? Boom, fist bump.
Got it, man. We got this.
Oh, that was a He wants to go over, just kind of see. He's a VR expert, so you really are though. You really are though. Like,
I've done a lot of DIYs with these, but you know, I'm just checking those things. It looks good, man. It just needs to be, you know, cleaned up and
emphasis on cleaned up.
Yeah, no, just a couple of things you're missing. Hopefully that clutch line works, or that clutch will.
Oh yeah, the banjo. Oh yeah, let me tell him that too, because. For the reason why I didn't even try to bring this car up to Atlanta for the meet was I needed this. So Junior got it for me and we're gonna get started. So hopefully that does it. I don't know. Again, we'll find out. We'll see. He wants to hide under the car. He doesn't want to be on camera. So we got the car up in the air now. How's it looking under there, huh?
Nice, you got a C-Mac 3D.
Oh yeah, you like that, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I know, flexing out here, baby.
What the hell are your clutch lines? Is the question.
So we're gonna get these brake split. He's looking at the clutch right now. I want to try and see if I can figure out something ghetto to put the turbo coolant to make it work, or maybe I just might route it direct, because it was one of the guys that turned his car into a race car and he doesn't even have the reservoir. So I'm gonna try and see what I can do, what makes sense. I want to keep it as OEM-ish as possible, so that way, like, when people work on it, or like people like Junior, they can just look at my car, be confused for a hot second, but then kind of figure it all out in a second. So I just want to get this baby running and flex on everyone at work, you know what I mean? You know we're gonna park John. Don't laugh at me, you know we're gonna park John. Dude, so Junior over here just figuring it all out, dude. So I've never actually bled a clutch before in my life. I like to be very transparent on my channel, so this is the first time I'm actually doing brakes and the clutch. So now you guys know. Well, I have done brakes, but I was the pedal guy. I didn't really actually do it. It's not the same. But Junior over here found out that the banjo bolt that he got fits perfect. That's awesome. I'm gonna fill this thing with brake fluid in a bit. That's awesome. Honestly, Junior, thank you, bro. Ooh, you're so close, man. Bro, if this doesn't work.
Alright, so we just bled the clutch. We're about to start it up, and then we'll see if the clutch can engage.
Oh, wait.
What's we missing?
Gotta start the
fuel pump.
Fuel pump.
Yep.
Bro, if this doesn't do it, this means this trans has to come down, which I'm not trying to do all that right now, so I hope it's done, bro. There we go. Thank you. Yes. Finally, dude. So the clutch can confirm Z1 clutch works perfect. All right, that's only half the job now. Now break time, and dude, we might be able to take this thing around the block, bro.
The throttle is not gonna work though?
Oh, that's. Damn, wait, leave it to Junior to just burst my bubble, you know? So I actually have to run to the parts store with Junior. I get to run in the Flex Nismo. We need some brake fluid, so. Dude, look at the, look at these seats, my God, bro, dude. Look, I get to ride in the Nismo? Oh, butt in first. Oh, I feel all fancy and all that, bro.
Fancy. Let it warm up a little bit.
Dang, bro, these things hug me better than my dad, dog. Like, these feel good, bro. Dang, all right. Everything is so much nicer in a Nismo, man. Jeez. Bro, why does the Motordyne sound so good? The art pipe. Oh. Dude, that's so good.
These tires on this temperature on cold start. You see this spinning?
so I can't wait. This car is so sick, bro. Do it, bro. Do it. Do it. Dude. Dude. This thing is so fun, bro. I cannot wait to get back in my Z, bro. Oh my lord. Bro, just imagine both of us doing this crowd together, bro.
I like to do hood red things with my hood red friends.
Thanks, bro. Dude, this area is gonna be a heat up for cops now, like for sure. They're gonna be looking for us, bro.
Oh shit.
Dude, whatever. So we got the stuff. We gave the money, got the stuff, and now we're back to the house.
We practically stole it. We got brake fluid, a Coke, a microfiber towel, brake cleaner for $3.
Yeah, $3, bro. Junior's over here with like the flex on everything, financial, the car, bro. He had some master coupons. I don't even know where he was like, hold up, son. I got coupons, and yeah, bro, all this for $3. So not my crotch, but the actual product. So we're gonna head back to the house. I asked Martin for a file for my car to see if that might fix the throttle issues, but unfortunately, well, I couldn't even drive the car anyway because I gotta get the I gotta put the coolant for the turbo anyway. So anyway, the car will drive this week, I think. You think so? You think so?
Bruh. Yeah,
bro. Hell yeah. All right, perfect. We're going back to the house. You're just gonna show me and everybody how to like pump. Yeah, because I mean, I've never used this witchcraft before in my life. So Junior, how do you do this, bro?
Pretty much it's just a power bleeder. If you bleed brakes by yourself, you don't have to have somebody in the car pump the brakes. So what this does is pressurize the brake system for you, as long as there's no loose screws, unlike somebody's car.
Okay, hold on. Alright, I may or may not have pissed out brake fluid all over the place because me, like a herb, I literally forgot to put on my brake line. So he pressurized it and it just pissed.
Yeah, so pressurize it 15 pounds, make sure everything's tight. They make these caps for all kinds of models, and this is just for a Nissan model. You're gonna pump it up to 15 pounds, don't let it drop below 15 as you're bleeding the brakes. It's almost there already.
And where'd you buy this?
Just Amazon, it's like $50.
Nice.
That's 16 pounds, you lock that down. And we're gonna wait 5 minutes now to see if it holds pressure. Once we know that it holds pressure, then we can start bleeding the brakes. If it doesn't hold pressure, we gotta check for leaks first. Otherwise, you just, you know.
Then we'll be back to square one. Alright, yeah, I wanted to film that because I never used this myself before too, and it's a really cool machine, so I want to try and scoop one of those things up too. Junior has like all the witchcraft like automotive tools, bro. Like me, you guys already know I did this entire swap with like a ham sandwich and like 2 socket wrenches, so yeah, it's like, bro, you know, these type of things. I'm actually using power tools, bro. Cool, we out here. I'll catch up with you guys when this stuff is actually done, because this is like the boring stuff, so let's see if we can actually
pressure pretty good. Just give it a couple more minutes and we can start from the furthest away from the, typically, I know you can do it with a console, but the furthest away from the master cylinder. So we go rear right, rear left, front right, and then front left.
Perfect. Ooh, so dude, with the help of Junior, I was able to finally get some brakes. I do have to, what's it called? The bleeder screw?
Bleeder screw for the passenger side. On the
so your boy messed that one up, probably painting the calipers, but yo, check this out. Your boy got some pressure. Ooh, I got it.
One more time and see what happens.
Oh, okay. Right. I was worried that the clutch wouldn't work, but I know you guys can't see. Let me just get my phone out. Hold on. And okay. Ooh, check me out. Check this out. Check this out. Finally, dude. So I got brake pressure, I got clutch pressure. It moves under its own power. Now I just got to figure out the throttle problem, whatever issue that may be. And we are golden. So, all right, I'm just gonna get out of here. I'm just happy to sit in my car again. It's been so long, bro. Don't kill me, typical Z-door problems. And that's it. So today, it's just train, bro. They run like all day. Whatever. So today it was just clutch, brakes. Tomorrow I'm gonna try and see what I can get with Martin, like I said, with that map, and hopefully we can actually get this car moving tomorrow night. May or may not film it, I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe. It helps you get into the algorithm. I'm gonna leave Enthusiast Point of View's YouTube in the description. Of course, you guys need to follow him too, and the ratchet crap that he does in his Nismo. But thank you guys, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Where are you, Doug?